Already, guys, remember that it is like that. Like something is finished. For example, I'm not hungry right now. I already ate. Right? And this is a typical. You say already, and the verb. It's a typical formation. Right? You say, in this case, we say, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry because, you can see this is the connector, because person, I already, and we have the verb in past, I already ate. Alright, do you need a black backpack?
No, I already bought.
What? Very good, you said bought one. Very good job. Or you can say also in the present, I already have one.
Okay.
I already have one. I already have a backpack, I already have my shoes. Right, that's also possible. I already have. It goes on. So no problem here. So this is the idea of already.